Right now, people are making money on TikTok in ways most users don't even know exist. From live streams to virtual gifts, TikTok has become a money machine in 2025.
Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how they're doing it.
TikTok isn't just an app anymore, it's a global economy. In 2025, millions of dollars flow through TikTok every single day, and ordinary people, not celebrities, are cashing in. Imagine opening your phone, posting a 15-second video, and watching it turn into real income. That's the reality right now. The only question is, are you part of it? Let's start with the foundation. TikTok ad revenue. Here's how it works. Every time people watch your content, TikTok shows ads, and you get a cut. Think about it. A teenager in Lagos posting funny skits, or a mom in London sharing cooking tips. Both can earn without selling a single thing. In 2025, even small creators with just a few thousand followers are getting steady payouts. It's proof that attention is currency, and TikTok is paying for it. Now, the second method, brand deals. TikTok has become the #1 place for companies to reach young audiences, and they're willing to pay big money for it. Imagine you love fitness, you post workout tips, and soon, sports brands are sliding into your DMs, offering to sponsor your videos. Some creators make thousands from a single post. In 2025, if you build a loyal community, brands will chase you, not the other way around. Third, TikTok Shop. This is TikTok's built-in marketplace, and it's exploding. Let's say you discover a trending beauty gadget or a kitchen tool. You make a creative video around it, and because TikTok's algorithm loves to push products, it can go viral overnight. One video equals thousands of orders. You don't even need a big following, just a clever idea, and TikTok Shop does the heavy lifting. The fourth, here's one most people overlook, TikTok Live and Coins. During a live stream, your fans can send you virtual gifts, which translate into real money. In 2025, some creators are making hundreds, even thousands, in a single live session. Imagine engaging with your audience in real time, telling stories, answering questions, and as you do, golden coins rain down the screen, turning attention into cash instantly. But the smartest creators, they don't stop at TikTok. They use it as a funnel. They take that TikTok traffic and guide it to YouTube channels, digital courses, ebooks, or coaching programs. That's where long-term wealth is built. TikTok is the spark, but beyond TikTok is where the fire grows. The empire of income streams that pay you for years to come. So here's the truth. TikTok in 2025 isn't just entertainment, it's opportunity. From ad revenue to brand deals, TikTok Shop, affiliate links, and even live coins, the money is already flowing. The only decision left is yours. Will you scroll or will you create? Subscribe to MoneyBooked, where we turn platforms into paychecks.